Ties us back together in the end. It's alright. I can see my dreams reflected in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why love's alive in your eyes. Resisting simply back to shore. And I finally learned to love you more. You brings me back like Jesus. No one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same. Through it all, our love will still be there. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections. In your eyes, from the answers to the questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting simply to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love you and I. Drifting safely to shore. I think I finally learned to love you I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the thread that keeps on running but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to the questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, there's a thing saying. Tonight we only Pawisan ako pero tuloy pa rin lalo kang kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim. Sa bawat ikot mo malakas ang basbas. Sinasabi mo sumabay ka na rin. Lumapit sa bawat nangutas sa sayaw ng gabi. Ikaw ang lakas sa paghawak mo ang tutok sa kamay. Lahat umusunod sa galaw ang kulay. Hawak mo ang gabi sa bawat ilaw mo ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang bituin mong binitawan hanggang sa huling tunog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang gabi sa bawat ilaw mo ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang bituin mong binitawan hanggang sa huling tunog ng sayawan. Taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, DJ ulitin mo pa dyan. Clap, clap, taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, DJ ulitin mo pa dyan. Sa bumagsak ang huling patang, dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog. Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong, ikaw ang reyna ng galaw ngayon. Parang galaw mo ko'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang bituin mong binitawan hanggang sa huling tunog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang bilis sumayaw, balik sa disco ng gabi. Ikaw ang tala, hawak mo ang bituin dito sa pista. Ikaw ang tunog na hindi buo. You and me against the world. Sometimes it feels like when all the others turn their backs and walk away. You can count on me to say, remember when the saints came to town and you were frightened by the fire. Wasn't it nice to be around someone that you knew, someone who was big and strong and looking out for you? And against the world, sometimes it feels like against the world. And for all the times we cried, I always think that God was on our side. And when one of us is gone, and one of us is left to carry on, then remembering will happen knee against the world. And when the war is gone, and none of us is left to carry on, then the memories will happen. Our memories alone will get us. Think about the days of me and you and of course, I would like to welcome Gidget Castillo, another from Manchini Park last week po. Madam Henya namin. Welcome back here at Vista Hotel. Let's dance inside, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young, or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sad pit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine what the stress is like? Turn our faces into the sun. Raising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Acknowledging the presence of the mind. To be forever. And proud to be so. For us to welcome and thanks you for joining with us. Let's see I want to be forever. And Floor Kitchen, Irving Honest. Maraming salamat for the meantime. I've been thanking everybody for joining with us here at this hotel. And after this, we will be having a picture taking with Gidget and Nimai. Okay ka na, Kenneth? Kenneth pa talaga, Ken? Kenneth lang, Kenneth. Basta, ano sa Ken? And of course, welcome back! It's not welcome back. We would like to welcome the presence of Brigadier General Alejandro Papa. Palakpakan naman natin ang nakahabol, si General Papa. General Papa, join with them on stage. I wanna be forever young. Join with them. Dito ka sa table na, General Papa. And of course, for raising our help, thank you so much to Harvey and Josie. Stay there. Have some fun. Get your little gem. It's dinner time. So you can have a photo ops. Madam Henya. Have a picture. Yeah. Continue your musical, John and Jonathan. And maya po. We will be having a wine talk. sing. Madagahingan, pwede ka na bumalik sa iyong trono. Sige, okay. Mahaba pa oras? Mamaya sayaw ang blues tayo. Hindi daw sumayaw, may penalty na 500 pesos each. Hindi sumayaw. DI, Dance Strategy. Kaya maya, sasayaw tayo. Sasayawin natin lahat. Dito daw. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, giving his roses his best friend. Just welcome Brigadier General Alejandro Papa. Punta lang po kayo dito, may abot ang rosas. And take a picture. May bayad daw yan. Better than late than never. You can have a picture at the table. Yes, now. Can take down a picture at the table. And at the table. Remain sitting on the outside table. Ayan. Pwede kayo tumayo, pwede kayo nakaupo. Pero mas maganda, nakaupo. Sa kabila tayo, ganyan. Cesar, face the camera. Ayan, dali ka rito. Limay, dito ka. Tabihan mo si Nenya. BFF, upo ka na lang. Ayan. Cesar? Pagkala ko po, may hawak pa lang ang microphone. General Papa, nasan ka na? Next CR. Okay, kuna na daw. Nagmamadali, para gabiyahe sa Canada ulit. May event na naman si Ed. Si Ed, may ginagawa nito. Hotel. Diyan huwag ka muna aalis. I need your time. General Papa, nasan ka na? Nasaan na si General Papa? Ayan na. Balik ka rito para makakaroon ng litrato. I want to be forever young. General Papa, we need your presence here. 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat, Ken. One more. Yes! Those are you and I. na ba ang ating mga chikiting patron? Wala pa. Marco, ilang yung camera? Ito. Oh, John, get ready. Listen, guys, we will be having a wine posting for birthday celebrator Henyo Banyo, and I'll be calling the best friend. Andiyan pa ba? Andiyan pa, nagpapapicture pa. Levi Inhente. Get ready. Marco. Paki-focus na lang ang camera dito. Nandito ka, Marco. Tabihan ko si Madam Limay. Matatapos na si Madam niya. And to all the waiters, pakilagyan lang po yung mga open glasses ng Carlo Rossi, yung mga walang laman. Pakibigyan lang po. Andito po yung Carlo Rossi. Meron po doon sa table, bukas na yan. Sa lahat po, get your glass. Yan, okay yan, Joven. Music action. And it's now going to call back on stage. Henyo Banyo, halika muna dito. Yes, he must be here.
I found a love for me.
Kaya kung kayo dito si Madam Ella,
Follow my lead.
nagpapasarela.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never
And
knew
you said you
you
will
were
give the mic.
waiting for
First,
me.
to Marco, you give your message to your mother.
In love, not knowing what it
Message to your mama. Get the glass, point. Pinapakan mo ha. Hindi sinasadya. Okay. Hindi yung umiiyaw. And of course, I'd like to call on Ed. Halika dito, Ed. Yes! Dito ka lang sa harap, dito. And Madam Limay, you must be here with me. Everybody listen! Hello! Ayun. Okay. Background music, Alja. Message, Michael.
Kailan ba message?
Kailangan. Yung mga hinain mo, hinanakit mo,
Siguro ano yan, gusto ko lang siyang maging laging masaya lang.
palakpak na ba?
Tapos, letter ko na, so kami naman.
Yeah, good!
Okay.
Understand? Look at her and have a smile. She go driving. Hello, nawala yung mic.
Okay.
Hello.
Si Mike.
Ayan.
Okay, in behalf of
Louder.
our classmates ng section mo, I'm so proud naging part ako ng buhay mo. Ako yung katabi niya, habang nagbabasa siya ng comics nung high school. Okay niya na to Ganda. Ako naman kinukulit ko yung buhok ko. Kaya hindi niya makalimutan yun. Hanggang ngayon, wala na yung buhok ko, kinukulit ko pa rin siya. I'm so happy to attend your birthday. Next year is my turn.
Yes!
My senior citizenship.
Okay, sandali lang muna. Lahat po na may glass na may wine. Kayo po kayo. Iba, kung may juice, pwede kayong mag-join. At this time, I'll be giving a time for her best friend. Kasama niya sa mga katsikahan, kabalditahan. Ayan. Ito ang laging pasensyosa, lagi nakangiti, kalmado, kahit yung isa nagwawala. Here's Madam Limay Inihante.
Thank you, Ding. Hence, happy birthday. Ay, Tuani! Lumataas! Ano ka na to? Pares tayo na sexy yung ating mga tao.
Limay, pakisabi lahat ng mga nalalaman mo at pakibulgan.
Okay. Si Henya, sabihin mo na, kailan. Sinabi na niya, hindi sa akin nagalit.
Ano ba?
And then, syempre, napaka mabuting ina. Nakita mo si Marco and si Yuki. At saka love na love niya yung kanyang dalawang apo. Also si Pearl. Mahal na mahal niya yan. Very proud siya sa napakagandang maluga. And alam ko na napakasaya niya ngayon dahil nandito tayong lahat. Ito yung pinakahihintay niya na day niya. So, hindi na mauulit. This is it. Can I do it na? Yeah.
Sandali muna. Kulang daw yung sinabi mo.
Ano ang sinabi ko? Ano ba gusto niya? Love life?
Yes!
Okay, love life. Okay. Ngayon, ano siya? Looking for? Looking for. Okay? 6 years old. Okay. Huwag na daw. Okay. So, this is it. Let's...
Here is your glasses. Your glass. John, pag sinabi ko after 3, sigaw kayo ng kampay. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday!
For me,
Thank you so much, Madam Lima Inihante, for sharing your time. Kaya, sa pangungurot kay Henya, napakalaking bagay. And of course, sa pinamahal na uli ko iyo sa Pilipinas muna, si Marco. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Balik ka sa tono. And you can have your seat now, guys. This is easy. Tatanggalin ko pa ulit siya. Anyway, as you go on, gusto nyo ba na-entertain na? Baba tayo ng 40 hours sa music para naman. Gusto nyo ba na-entertain na? Ay, kulang sumigaw.